Day 2 of videoing the chickens. There are 18 chicks. Right now they're small enough to hang out in this area together. We will be splitting them more than likely by next week. But I'll give you a few minutes just to listen to them chirp and enjoy their little habitat. It looks like on their wings, most of them have lost a lot of their fluff and have gained feathers. Well, they already had some feathers yesterday for sure, but since we got them on Sunday, and today is Tuesday, they have already lost quite a bit of fluff on their wings. And golden chickens are buff Orpingtons. And the black and whites. Why can I not remember the name of them right now? I can't remember the name of them right now.
Do you want bear in here?
No? Okay. Well, the dog's coming in.
Sorry.
Hey. No, you don't. That's their area. You get the whole house to run around in, guy. They are just having this little area of their own. Okay.
Don't be too selfish.
Let's show you the dog. He's very interested in our new.
He licks chicken's butt for a living.
Bitters, buddies that are hanging out here in the house. This is our playroom in the house. So there's a book pile back here and toys. The kids spend a lot of time back here, and we thought this would be a good shelf for our little brooding station while we are getting them ready to go out in the yard. nothing else, I thought it would be nice to have a record of what they looked like when they were tiny, and as they grow, I can see what they look like. So even if no one ever watches this video, I will have it so that I can see how sweet they were when they were little. And then eventually they'll be giving me. Now, I just cleaned their water dish out this morning and it's already messy again, which I've got it propped up on these bricks. If anyone else has other ideas that would keep it up high enough to where they aren't getting a whole lot of mess in it, they normally were doing pretty well with it, but last couple of days they've gotten a little bit more. But I think just cleaning it out a couple times a day hasn't been so bad, and they've all been staying hydrated, so I'm not too worried about it. Look at these two sleeping on each other. They do that a lot, like they'll lean on each other and fall asleep. Like these three, like have a sleep train going on. It's leaning on the back of the other one. I like watching them drink their water. Maybe they'll come over here and drink it. I think it's cute. It's like they gargle every time. Gotta get the water down. Sometimes we'll have this whole tray filled up with little chicken butts sticking up eating their feed. And I just filled it up this morning too, and it's already got some spots where they've eaten down to the bottom. If anybody else has had chicks, I'm assuming you know when you started giving your chicks grit. I did go ahead and get it so that I have it, but I don't want to wait too long, so I was kind of curious about that as well. If anybody has any thoughts on grit and how soon you give it to your chicks, let me know, because I want to do that. Those tail feathers are coming in. It's kind of funny to see the fluff coming off and the tail feathers coming. Look at this little napper over here, napping in the corner. She's so cute. It's tough. It's tough growing. Tough going while you're growing. All right. goodness, it just came through and busted up a whole nap session. Rude. Look at the feathers on this one. It's already very prominent in the black and white feather stripes. Beautiful feathers. Oh, didn't want to show off. This is my first time raising chickens for the purpose of egg laying. If anyone has any advice, I'm open to advice. My mom has been my mom has been laying chickens. My mom and dad have been raising them for quite a few years now, and I've watched them and seen how much they've loved it and how it has been enriching in their lives. So I decided that would be good for my family. And I know my youngest, my 10-year-old, loves grandma's chickens, and she's been just very good with them. She picks them up the proper way. She knows what to feed them. She knows how to approach them. And I felt like this would be a good time for her to have them here at the house and learn to take care of her own, give her that responsibility. So she'll be in charge of a lot. We'll still have her older siblings helping us as well, making sure that the living areas of the chickens are cleaned out on a regular basis, that they're fed, make sure that the water is cleaned out and things like that. So I'm excited to see how she does with the new responsibility, and I think it's a good responsibility for all of us to share together. My son seems to be more into the garden, and my oldest also seems to be more into the garden, but everybody's got their own little niche, their thing that they're good at, so we're figuring all that out. And once we start getting chickens here in the summer, I'd say we'll be excited about the opportunity to have these little guys and just realize what it means to grow our own food and to cultivate and not have to rely on the grocery store. So it's exciting. You get to know what our chickens eat and where our eggs are coming from. That's fun, I think. You got lots of room, guys. Spread out. It's okay. There, that was not an invitation. Down. There, you're scaring them. Don't do that. Let's show you the dog came over and popped the box a little bit with his paw. And they all ran over to this corner. They're like, we gotta get to safety. That's their safe corner. It's like a big ball of fluff with eyeballs. So if you have any questions or comments, or if you have any suggestions for me, I am definitely open to that. So please, please let me know what you think. In the meantime, I will be enjoying my chicks.